Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we'll learn about the AWS and its ecosystem. Today, Mustafa is here with us. He's AWS Community Builder, and he will explain us the AWS and its system. So let's get back to Mustafa Al Mahmoud and hear from him. Hello Mustafa, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me on your platform, Take a Check-in. And I'm very pleased with this interview, with this uh, informative session. And let's get it started.
Yeah, we are
Okay.
really pleased to hear from you and have you with you in this platform. So we'll hoping a good session and let's get started.
Yeah, actually, I'm very excited because this is the first time to meet you on your platform. So hopefully this will be very helpful
Yep.
for your audience and listeners. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, okay. Uh, my screen is shared.
Yeah, right. Your screen is
And
visible now.
okay. Okay. This is Mustafa Al Mahmoud, and uh, yeah, I'm a community builder from this year 2023, and I'm working as a software engineer in a software company in my local. And definitely, I'm cloud enthusiastic, and I'm a AWS certified, two certified, and one Azure certified. Also, some engaging, some meetup sessions, some events, community events, and attend to game days. So this is my short introduction. Let's get started with this session. And this this session is I will talk about the elevator DevOps skill. And the modern DevOps is the going more popular day by day because it allows independent teams to iterate quickly while while deploying to from development to staging to production, uh, uh, to avoid the high risk, to avoid the error prone for manual deployment associated with is using the traditional software development and infrastructure procedures. So uh, we have to implement the modern DevOps because it reduce the error prone, it reduce the risk, it reduce the our complexity in the development life cycle. So this is more important to us to use the modern DevOps. So AWS provides more services, so popular services to make easy in the DevOps paths. I'll talk about the two AWS services. One is CodeCommit and two is CodeBuild. So today's agenda is what is AWS CodeCommit, and second, how to use is, and second one, what is the AWS CodeBuild and how to use AWS CodeBuild to automate the application testing. And finally, uh, I'll show you the live demo. And finally, we will have the question answer session to conclusion. So what is the CodeCommit actually? CodeCommit is a highly scalable and managed source service for control service, and basically and definitely it is a uh, user friendly experience. So the AWS CodeCommit hosts private Git repositories, and CodeCommit stores the data into the AWS, Amazon S3, and Amazon DynamoDB, giving you your repositories high availability, by high scalability and usability. So you simply create repository to store your code, and there is no manual provision setup, predefined provision setup, because it's a managed service, a managed service. So there is no need to hardware to provision and scale to software to install, configure, and operate. So how to use it? It's a simple process. First of all, you have to create the repository, and secondly, you have the local repository on Linux instance running the EC2 instance. Uh, I'll show you the live demo about it, and uh, we will have the make some changes on our repository and update the commit and push. So on top of that, we search CodeCommit. First of all, I'll create a repo. My test repo. Exception is optional. So click on the create. So now we get the repository on CodeCommit. And secondly, we search on EC2. We'll have one instance that is running. Okay, we will connect the EC2 instance under the session manager. Now we are connected to our EC2 instance, and now we update the sudo yum install. Git update. Update the config initials. CTP URL. This is the current instance URL, and don't copy this URL because we are removing the after the session. Arrow. Git repository. Okay. We are sorry. Instance URL actually have to clone the repo URL. It fine. We have cloned the code repo, my test repo. Let's see. Oh, okay. Clone. Clone. Yeah. We have some text input in the repository. And let's see. Yeah. So we have added in our local repository under this instance. So we have added and check the status. Yeah. Git commit. Added cat and dog text. Yeah. This is our first commit on our local repository. So now git push and let's see what happens. Yeah. New branch master branch master. Yeah, we have two files, cat text and dot text. So this is the code commit uses on AWS. So, and finally, at the summary, we have created a code repository using the AWS Code Commit Management Console and created a local repository on our Linux instance using Git and synchronized a local repository with the AWS Code Commit repository. So yeah, that's it. And let's back to the presentation. Okay, the lab is opening. So I'm back to the presentation. So first about the code build. So it's a fully managed the build service because that means the AWS code build scales up and down automatically to meet your build volume. It immediately process each build you submit and can separate builds concurrently. So and it's definitely a as you go model pricing model, and also it is a elastic scaling because you are charged based on the number of minutes it takes to complete your build. So this means you no longer have to worry about paying the idle bill server capacity. So and also definitely there is no need to manual provision setup. So in this lab, I will explore. We will explore the some features. I mean, configure code build to perform application testing, and the troubleshoot and fix the CI/CD pipeline failures, and review code build reports and logs, and apply common code testing strategies. That definitely is for demo. So some lines of code and describe the importance of robust test coverage and its automation process using the code build. So, and definitely we'll test the code on Cloud9. Cloud9 is a online IDE, and definitely it's a free to use, and you have to pay only the instances you use, but there is no payment of using the Cloud9. We have to install the dependencies. Since this is a JavaScript application, there are several compatible packages managers. And so some of the most popular are the SPM, NPM, and package manager for the JavaScript and the runtime influence on the Node.js. So these are definitely have to install on these packages. So let's start the app. So basically, React is a component-based application. So basically, we have four components like app component, and page header, and game board, and supporting form. This is the main basic four components. This is the app. At a high level, the WSF file is using the same repository environment concept that you used earlier to make an equity development environment. So this is the actual provision to run this application. We have installed, we have built, we run this code to and to run the test because we have test CI, skip test special test. We actually run the test. Let's see what happens. npm run build command actually runs. So two fails, one pass. Okay. We have to add git and commit on these changes. actually determine where your build is failing. So we have to put pipeline and web application pipeline, and you will see the pipeline is running. Yeah, in progress right now. We have to wait to see what happens. This is the CI/CD pipeline. The source code is here, CodeCommit, and second is the build process code build, and the final is the AWS Community Builder. So in the build process in progress right now. After the build successful, we will test again. And yeah, 3 pass. And another thing, we have a new file. Just with the code. And .js. This is the convention to take the under the JS framework. .js. Right. Okay. And we get some another 4 JS outline. Edit missing text. Hit log. Edit missing text on the let's check our final commit. Yes. Edit missing text and to achieve 100% coverage. And let's see what happens. So the this JS.mock will essentially intercept the cost to import those 3 modules and return the simple function included in the method instead of the contents and the requested files. Okay. And for instance, instead of the test rendering the entire Jamboard, and it only renders a div component and with the text Jamboard on it. Actually, it takes a little time to build and deploy. Okay. So currently, the application test for one winning condition with X and one winning condition with O. So as shown earlier in this lab, so the game will still appear to work currently, even though it is not testing for all possible true winning condition. As mentioned, earlier in this lab, TikTok only has 8 possible winning combinations in the array that you fixed earlier. So, okay. Now, let's see what it is. So actually, this is the full demo from the tic-tac-toe game, and when you update the code and push the code commit to code repository, and the code pipeline have the 3 sections: the code source from the code commit, and the build is just for under the code build, and after the build successful, you'll deploy and store to S3. So this is the automated CI/CD tools, and when you update, and we use the online ID that AWS provides the Cloud9. So whenever you push the commit under the same branch to the code, when the code push and the successful push, so the CI/CD pipeline automatically run, and finally the build and deploy. So this is the automation process of the CI/CD under the code pipeline. So yeah.
Thanks, Mustafa, for explaining such a good way. So we have learned a lot about the AWS CodePipeline and CodeBuild, and yeah, this is really awesome. So
Yeah, and this is the actually the some it's normal case, some difficulty by complexity on the live demo, because the may have the some code issue, but dependency issue, and the environment variables issue. So it depends.
yeah,
So the basic idea is here.
Yeah, got it. So if audiences
Also,
face any issues, that they can also note us on the comment section, so that we can get back to them and inform about what's wrong and how can they fix it. But
exactly.
finally, it's a really useful session, I guess.
And this is the resource link, and you have to scan the under the code commit and code build, and also this QR code is the 3 labs, and under the skill builder, AWS the learning session learning platform skill builder, and this your audience is the really helpful and grateful to practice these 3 labs under the, and this is the free of cost until 31 October this year.
Yeah,
After
that's really
after
true.
this after this date, it is the paid version. So definitely your audience will help practicing with this level.
Okay, everyone. So here we are in the end. So thanks, a big thanks to Mustafa, and I will put his YouTube channel link on the description. So please check out his YouTube channel link and go to his YouTube channel. He has a good bunch of articles and contents on the YouTube channel, and also follow him on the LinkedIn because he is a AWS Community Builder, and so we have a lot more to explore from him, right? Yep. That's
Yeah.
all from now.